Have you ever thought about adding a burst of color to your garden that you can also use to brighten up your meals? Welcome back to GardenBound. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of edible flowers. Imagine creating a garden that not only looks stunning, but also enhances your culinary creations with vibrant, flavorful blooms. Edible flowers have been used for centuries in various cuisines, and they offer both nutritional benefits and a unique way to elevate your dishes. In this guide, we'll explore the best edible flowers for your garden and kitchen, providing you with practical tips on how to grow, harvest, and use these delightful blooms. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, you're about to discover how easy and rewarding it is to cultivate and enjoy edible flowers. Let's dive in and start our colorful journey. Growing edible flowers offers a range of nutritional and culinary benefits that can transform your garden and kitchen. Edible flowers are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. For instance, nasturtiums are rich in vitamin C and have anti-inflammatory properties, while violets contain high levels of vitamins A and C. These nutritional benefits make edible flowers a healthy addition to your meals. Culinary-wise, edible flowers can be used in various ways, from adding a burst of color and flavor to salads to creating stunning garnishes for desserts. Using edible flowers can elevate your dishes, making them not only more nutritious, but also more visually appealing and sophisticated. Aside from their nutritional and culinary benefits, edible flowers also bring aesthetic and ecological advantages to your garden. They enhance the beauty of your garden with their vibrant colors and unique shapes, creating a visually appealing landscape that is a joy to behold. Furthermore, edible flowers play a crucial role in supporting pollinators like bees and butterflies. These pollinators are essential for the health of your garden, as they help with the pollination of many plants, leading to a more productive and diverse garden ecosystem. By growing edible flowers, you not only beautify your garden, but also contribute to the support of local wildlife and the promotion of biodiversity. Nasturtiums are vibrant and easy-to-grow edible flowers with a peppery flavor reminiscent of radishes. These colorful blooms thrive in well-drained soil with full sun exposure, but can tolerate partial shade. Nasturtiums require minimal care, making them ideal for beginner gardeners. Regular watering is necessary, especially during dry spells, but be cautious of overwatering. Nasturtiums add a spicy kick to salads and make delightful pickles. One of my favorite recipes is a nasturtium pesto, where I blend the leaves and flowers with garlic, nuts, and olive oil for a zesty twist on traditional pesto. Calendula, also known as marigold, offers bright yellow and orange petals, with a slightly tangy and peppery flavor. Calendulas prefer full sun and well-drained soil, and they benefit from regular deadheading to promote continuous blooming. These flowers are not only beautiful, but also versatile in the kitchen. They can be used to add color and flavor to soups, rice dishes, and even as a substitute for saffron. Borage, with its striking blue star-shaped flowers, has a mild, cucumber-like flavor. This hardy annual thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and it can tolerate poor soil conditions, making it easy to grow. Borage flowers are perfect for adding a refreshing taste to beverages, salads, and as garnishes for various dishes. I love using borage flowers to create a refreshing summer drink. Simply infuse them in lemonade or iced tea for a cooling and visually stunning beverage that impresses guests. Violas and pansies are charming flowers with a mild, slightly sweet flavor. They grow best in cool weather, requiring partial shade and well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Regular watering and deadheading encourage prolonged blooming. Violas and pansies are versatile in the kitchen, enhancing desserts, salads, and even savory dishes with their vibrant colors. Chamomile is renowned for its small, daisy-like flowers with a sweet, apple-like flavor. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Chamomile requires regular watering, but can tolerate some drought once established. The flowers are commonly used to make soothing teas and infusions that promote relaxation and sleep. A personal favorite of mine is a chamomile and honey iced tea, perfect for calming down after a long day. Simply steep the flowers in hot water, add honey to taste, and chill for a refreshing, calming beverage. When growing edible flowers, it is crucial to choose the right varieties to ensure safety and enjoyment. Always select non-toxic, pesticide-free varieties that are safe for consumption. For beginners, starting with easy-to-grow options like nasturtiums, calendula, and violas can provide a rewarding experience. These flowers are hardy, require minimal care, and offer vibrant colors and flavors that enhance both your garden and your culinary creations. Planting and maintaining edible flowers require attention to soil conditions and care routines. Most edible flowers thrive in well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Plant seeds or seedlings according to the specific depth and spacing requirements of each variety. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods, but be mindful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilize your edible flowers with a balanced, organic fertilizer to promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. To prevent pests and diseases, practice good garden hygiene by removing dead leaves and debris, and consider using natural pest deterrents like neem oil or companion planting with pest repellent herbs. Harvesting edible flowers at the right time is key to preserving their flavor and freshness. The best time to harvest is in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day sets in. This is when the flowers are most hydrated and flavorful. Use clean, sharp scissors to cut the flowers, and handle them gently to avoid bruising. For storage, place the flowers in a damp paper towel and store them in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness for a few days. Alternatively, you can preserve edible flowers by drying them. Lay the flowers out on a screen in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight until they are completely dry. Store the dried flowers in airtight containers to use in teas, potpourris, or as garnish throughout the year. By following these detailed steps, you can successfully grow, harvest, and enjoy a variety of edible flowers in your garden and kitchen. Using edible flowers in the kitchen requires careful preparation and cleaning to ensure they are safe and enhance your culinary creations. Start by gently rinsing the flowers under cool, running water to remove any dirt, insects, or residues. Pat them dry with a paper towel, or use a salad spinner to remove excess moisture. For some flowers, like roses and marigolds, it's best to remove the bitter, white base of the petals before using them in recipes. Always use flowers that are freshly harvested and free from pesticides to guarantee their quality and safety. Incorporating edible flowers into your recipes can add a unique and delightful twist to your dishes. For salads, toss a handful of nasturtium flowers or pansy petals with your greens to add color and a peppery or sweet flavor. Desserts can be elevated by decorating cakes, cupcakes, or cookies with violets, rose petals, or calendula. Edible flowers can also enhance beverages. Try freezing borage or chamomile flowers in ice cubes for a beautiful and refreshing addition to your drinks. For main dishes, consider using flowers as a garnish or ingredient in sauces, soups, and rice dishes. Nasturtium leaves and flowers, for instance, can be stuffed with a mixture of cheese and herbs for a vibrant appetizer. One of my favorite recipes featuring edible flowers is a simple yet elegant chamomile tea. To make it, steep fresh or dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes, then strain and sweeten with honey. This calming tea not only tastes wonderful, but also offers soothing benefits. Another delightful recipe is a calendula and lemon rice, where you saute onions and garlic, then add rice, broth, lemon juice, and a handful of calendula petals. Cook until the rice is tender and infused with the subtle flavors of the flowers and lemon. These recipes showcase the versatility and beauty of edible flowers, making them a delightful addition to your kitchen repertoire. By experimenting with different flowers and dishes, you can discover new flavors and presentations that will impress your family and friends. When growing and using edible flowers, safety is paramount. Properly identifying edible versus non-edible flowers is crucial to avoid toxicity. Not all flowers are safe to eat, and some can be harmful or even deadly. Always refer to reputable sources, such as horticultural guides or reliable websites, to confirm the edibility of a flower before consuming it. Avoid flowers from florists, nurseries, or roadsides, as they may have been treated with pesticides or chemicals not safe for consumption. It's also important to remember that even edible flowers should be consumed in moderation, as large quantities can sometimes cause digestive issues. Allergy awareness is another critical aspect of safely using edible flowers. Some individuals may be allergic to specific flowers or their pollen, which can lead to allergic reactions ranging from mild to severe. If you're trying a new edible flower for the first time, it's wise to start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. If you have known allergies to certain plants, exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before consuming related flowers. For instance, those allergic to ragweed might also react to chamomile, as they belong to the same plant family. By being mindful of these safety considerations, you can enjoy the beauty and flavor of edible flowers without compromising your health. Incorporating edible flowers into your garden and kitchen can bring a delightful blend of beauty, flavor, and nutrition to your life. By choosing the right varieties, providing proper care, and ensuring safe consumption, you can enjoy the many benefits these flowers offer. Whether you're adding vibrant colors to your salads or enhancing the aesthetics of your garden, edible flowers are a wonderful addition. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to GardenBound for more expert gardening tips and culinary inspiration. Don't forget to like this video and share your experiences with edible flowers in the comments below. Happy gardening and happy cooking.